Di ako marunong mga ano eh. Mag-wallhap. Ayun o. May friend ako. Ayun o. Ayun o. So, yan. So, kung nanonood ka naman ng videos ko, so, yun, kasama ko. Tagalog ako. Yun. Tapos na. Okay, Lia, win in. Lia, win out. Yes! Yay! Parang 10 hours lang ako dito, guys. Guys, parang 10 hours na ako nakapasta. Nasaan na friend natin? Nag-leave yung friend natin? Kasi friend natin. Lang. Nawawala friend natin, guys. Wait lang, guys. Nawawala. Yun pala siya. Okay. Asan ba siya? Okay. Dia, hindi ka marunong mag-parkour. Huwag mo naasahan yung sarili mo, Dia. Ayun, Lia. Hanapin mo friend ba? Lia, saan yung friend mo? Lia, breathe in. Ay, Lia.
It's raining tacos.
Lia.
These are times when singers explore their hidden talents, starting with Billie Eilish. You can fit an entire
Ginagawa mo sa sarili mo. Lia.
like a baby.
Lia. Asan friend mo pala, Lia. Hanapin mo na friend mo.
Finally, Katy Perry can act just like a frog. These are times when singers expose their hidden talents, starting with Billie Eilish, who can fit an entire ukulele in her mouth.
15 and I fit an entire ukulele in
Next up, Ariana Grande can sound exactly like a baby. And finally, Katy Perry can act just like a frog.
I have a great talent. I can look like a frog.
Lia. Lia, huwag ka na mag-quit. Lia, no quit. Quit.
But today, the owner had to find her and take her to the
Kala
vet
ko ladder.
for her first vaccine. So first, he snapped his
Di ko na
fingers.
to kaya.
Suddenly, two dogs
Tulong.
in the left corner moved, but only one of them was
Tulong.
real,
Di
so
ko
he
na to
tried again,
kaya.
rattling the pack of her favorite snack. But the
Ayoko
clever
na
pup
maglaro.
stayed perfectly still. As a last try, the owner
Kailangan
pressed a
mo lang
special remote
lobatin
button.
cellphone
Every
mo
time
kasi
she
lang ayaw
hears
man
that
lobat
click, she
eh.
thinks it's dinner. Little thief.
Oop! Suka. Wait lang, ayoko na.
The owner had to find her and take
Joke
her
lang.
to the vet for her first vaccination. So first, he snapped his fingers and suddenly two dogs moved. This girl was just a bed for noodles.
Guys, ano na siya sabihin ko guys. Sige, po-post ko na to guys.